You're watching Lockpicking Legend, and I'm feeling very legendary today because there's a pop-up cocktail bar outside and I'm in making lockpicking videos. Here's a ASEC rim cylinder. These are kind of preferred for commercial use because you can change the tail part and turn them into a mortise cylinder. There's the key, kind of straightforward. What's that? 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1 as a guess there. It's a 6-pin. This lock was $9.95, and there's a reason I'm telling you that, because I couldn't rake it. I couldn't set a single pin rake in it. I couldn't use an electric pick gun on it. I usually like to rake or use a pick gun first so that I can then just single pin pick whatever's left, but absolutely no joy. And when people say to me, what's the best lock, what's the hardest lock to pick, you know, and you'd be thinking it might be, you know, like a Medico biaxial $80–90 worth of lock, and then you get something like this for $9.95, and good lord. And it's this number 1 pin. And you see me there using the tension tool as leverage again, but it's such a high cut. You saw on the key, you know, it's a 1 cut, and it's just really tough. But it's binding, so you know what you're going to do. See it pushing the tension wrench round there. Just giving a little bit of movement there with the wrench as well, loosening it up a bit, then try and get a set and sort of move the shear line back, so to speak. But still not much luck. Yeah, come on. Oh, we got something. Oh, I think we have. They are. On to 2. I think that's 2 now. Nothing on 3, 4, 5. Easy peasy. 6, easy peasy. Back to 3. Come on. I think it's 3 anyway. Oh, you beauty. There you go. What's the best lock? Well, sometimes it's the cheapest one. Lockpicking Legend. Now time to go and enjoy the party. Hi girls, want to see some lockpicking?